हेलो, नमस्ते एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का सेशन है बिगिनर लोअर बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ वर्कआउट, जिसमें टारगेट करेंगे लेग्स को, दैट इज योर क्वाड्स, ग्लूट्स, हैमस्ट्रिंग्स एंड काफ मसल्स. This video is perfect for anyone who is starting their fitness journey or who is coming back after a long break. So here are the requirements for the workout. You need a pair of light dumbbells. अगर आपके पास dumbbells नहीं हैं, don't worry, आप water bottles भी use कर सकते हो. And most of the exercises can be done body weight also. You need a mat, a towel and a water bottle. मेन वर्कआउट स्टार्ट करने से पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाई इज इट सो इम्पॉर्टेंट टू बिल्ड लोअर बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ. लोअर बॉडी स्ट्रांग होना सिर्फ लेग शेप के लिए नहीं होता, इससे आपका बैलेंस इंप्रूव होता है, जॉइंट्स हेल्दी रहते हैं, मेटाबॉलिज्म हाई होता है, रनिंग, वॉकिंग, क्लाइंबिंग स्टेयर्स, ये सब आपको बहुत इजी लगता है जब आप लोअर बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ बिल्ड करते हो. और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, लोअर बॉडी एक्सरसाइजेस आपके ओवरऑल स्ट्रेंथ को इंप्रूव करते हैं. वर्कआउट शुरू करने से पहले वार्म अप रिमाइंडर. एपिसोड 6 का वार्म अप एंड एपिसोड 7 का मोबिलिटी ड्रिल्स करना मत भूलना. Specially mobility drills for the lower body like squat to stand, 90-90 hip rotation, ankle rotation and leg swings. ये सारी mobility drills will be essential to mobilize your lower body joints. So let's understand the workout structure. We will be doing 5 exercises. You have to do 8 to 10 reps of each exercise. You can take 20 to 30 seconds of rest between the exercises and 1 to 2 minutes of rest between each round. If you are a beginner, you can go for 2 rounds, and if you want to challenge yourself, you can go for round 3. Just remember, slow, controlled reps. This is strength training, not HIIT. So, let's start. First exercise is body weight squats or dumbbell squats. अगर आप एक beginner हो who is just learning the squat form, then I would advise to go for 8 to 10 reps of body weight squats. So let's understand the form. You take a shoulder width stance, toes slightly out, back straight, chest out, core tight, look forward. Breathe in, go down as much as you are comfortable. Push through your feet and come up. Breathe out. Again, one more rep. Breathe in. Breathe out. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप बॉडी वेट स्क्वाट प्रॉपर फॉर्म में बहुत कंफर्टेबली कर पा रहे हो, then I would advise you to go for dumbbell squats. So you need a pair of dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, you can use water bottles also. Just place the dumbbells on your shoulders. The dumbbells should be rested on your shoulders and not in the air. Okay, everything will remain same. Squat stance, back straight, chest out. Breathe in, go down, breathe out and come up. Remember not to make these 3 mistakes. First is your knees caving in when you come up. So when you go down and when you come up, this should not happen. Okay, mistake number 1. Mistake number 2, your back should not round when you go down. Back straight, chest out. Mistake number 3, your heel should not go off the floor as you go down. Okay, so let's do 8 reps. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 4 from the sides. 5, 6, 7, 8. एंड अगर आपसे बॉडी वेट स्क्वाट्स भी राइट फॉर्म में नहीं हो रहे, देन आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड हाउ टू डू चेयर स्क्वाट्स इन एपिसोड 9. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2 इज रिवर्स लंजेस. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द फॉर्म. योर फीट विल बी हिप विड्थ अपार्ट, बैक स्ट्रेट, चेस्ट आउट. Breathe in. Take your right leg back. Go down as much as you are comfortable. Push through the front feet and back to the position. Other leg, breathe in. Go down as much as you are comfortable. Push through the front feet and back. Okay, just remember common mistakes. Your legs should be hip width apart and not close to each other. Okay, so legs will be hip width apart. Second mistake, don't take a too wide stance where it becomes difficult for you to come back. Okay, so just take a normal stance where you can go down easily and back to the position, down easily and back to the position. Now this exercise will help you to build single leg strength and also balance. Okay, so let's do 8 reps for each leg. Breathe in, breathe out. Other leg. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Just remember, your right leg will go towards right. Okay, it will not go behind the left leg, otherwise you will lose balance. Okay, so make sure the right will go towards right and the left will go towards left. Exercise number 3 is glute bridges to build strong glutes. So you lie down on your back. Your feet will be hip width apart and your heels will be close to your hips. Okay, both the hands, both the palms down. Now from here, breathe in. Push your hip up. 1 second hold. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Okay, feel the contraction and down slow. Breathe in. Hold for a second. Squeeze your glutes at the top and down slow. Okay, let's do 8 reps. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the last one, 8. If you want to challenge yourself, then you can also place the weight on the pelvis. Okay, so just support the weight with your hands. Breathe in, push your hip up, squeeze your glutes, 1 second hold and down. Breathe in. Okay, just remember the dumbbell is placed on the pelvis. Okay, the dumbbell is touching the pelvic bone and support the dumbbell with your hands. Exercise number 4 is RDL, that is Romanian deadlift. This exercise will target your hamstrings and your glutes. Okay, and in this exercise we will be using the hip hinge movement pattern. If you don't know about the basic movement patterns, then I would advise you to go and watch episode 9 first, where you learn about the basic movement patterns, because jitni bhi exercises aap karoge, all the exercises are based on those basic movement patterns. So let's understand how to do RDL. You take a hip width stance. The dumbbells will be in front of your thighs. Okay, back straight, chest out. Now remember, hip hinge. Okay, slight bend in the knees. Now keep pushing your hip back, sliding the dumbbells down where your chest is almost parallel to the floor and the dumbbells reach the middle of your shin. Okay, come up and breathe out. Again, knees soft. Keep pushing your hip back. The spine will remain neutral. Look forward, come up and breathe out. Okay, let's do 8 reps. Breathe in. Grip the weights tight. Breathe in. Two, breathe in. 3, just see the dumbbells are sliding along my legs. Okay, the dumbbells are not going like this. ठीक है. So make sure the dumbbells should slide along the legs and up. Okay, breathe in, down and up. Okay, last 3, breathe in, breathe in, last one, breathe in. And the last exercise, that is exercise number 5, is calf raises to build strong calf muscles. Okay, so first we'll do body weight. You take a hip width stance, breathe in, just push your heels up, hold for a second, down, slow. Okay, breathe in, hold for a second, down, slow. Breathe in, hold for a second, down, slow. If you are unable to balance yourself, you can also take support of the wall. Okay, breathe in, hold for a second, down, slow. And if you want to challenge yourself, then you can use a plate or anything which is 1 to 1.5 inches. Okay, so just place your toes on the plate. Everything will remain same. Back straight, chest out, breathe in, push your heels up, down, slow. Breathe in. Let's do 6 more reps. 3, 4, 5, 6, last 2, 7 and 8. Round 1 done. Great job. Take a sip of water, shake your legs. Remember, lower body exercises हमेशा slow and controlled ही effective होती हैं. So take 1 to 2 minutes of rest and let's go for round 2. So let's start round 2. First exercise, body weight squats or dumbbell squats. Okay, let's do 8 reps. Breathe in. Second exercise, alternate reverse lunges, hip width stance, slow, control. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Exercise number 3, glute bridges. And if you want to challenge yourself, then weighted glute bridges. Hands on the sides of the butt, heels close to your hips. Breathe in. 1 second hold. Down. Okay, let's go for 7 more reps. Breathe in. Exercise number 4, RDL, Romanian deadlift. Let's do 8 reps. Focus on the form, not on the speed. Breathe in, slide the dumbbells down along the legs. Breathe out. Focus on your hamstrings and your glutes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And the last exercise, exercise number 5, is calf raises. So hip width stance, raise your heels up, hold for a second and down, up and down. Okay, if you want to challenge yourself, you can use a plate or any object which is 1 to 1.5 inches. Let's go for 6 more reps. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Amazing work. Now it's time to stretch. Stretch your body up. Push your hip back. Bend down slowly. Forward fold. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Second stretch is the quad stretch to stretch your thigh muscles. So hold something and touch your heel on your butt. Press your heel, feel the stretch in your thigh muscles. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Once you are done, then other side. Next one is the hip flexor stretch. One knee down, one knee up 90 degree and push this knee forward. Hold this for 20 to 30 seconds. Once you are done, straighten the same leg, toes towards you, hands on the mat. Hamstring stretch. If your knee is bending, press your knee down with one hand. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Once you are done, repeat the same on the other side. Hip flexor stretch. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Hamstring stretch. Next one is the butterfly stretch. So join the soles of your feet together. Hold your toes and try to press your knees down. If you are unable to press both the knees together, hold your toes with one hand, press your knee down with one hand. Okay, hold both the sides 20 to 30 seconds. Next one is deep squat hold. So just hold this for 30 seconds. Push your knees out with your elbows. This stretch, try to do at least for 1 minute every day. This will help you to improve your lower body mobility. Next one is the cobra stretch. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Mountain. Press your heels down. Look towards your navel. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. And relax in child's pose. लोअर बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ वर्कआउट डन. अगर आप कंसिस्टेंट रहोगे विद दीज एक्सरसाइजेज वंस और ट्वाइस अ वीक तो आपको डिफरेंस दिखना स्टार्ट होगा अपने लेग स्ट्रेंथ में, लेग शेप में और पोस्चर में. नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में हम करेंगे बिगिनर कोर स्ट्रेंथ वर्कआउट. Simple and super effective exercises to build strong and stable core. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss that episode. If you like today's video, don't forget to hit like and comments में लिखो legs on fire. Stay strong. I will see you in the next episode. Bye.